Good morning, Salthawks. Today for lunch we're having chicken nuggets, spicy chicken sandwich, mashed potatoes and gravy, and mixed fruit. Prom-themed voting is now happening in A office. Seniors only need to come vote now through February 15th. Now to the weather with Abram.
Thanks, Aaliyah. Weather today, sunny and mixed clouds, high of 54 degrees, winds north at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, some clouds this evening will give way to mainly clear skies. Overnight, low near 30 degrees, winds north to northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday, mainly sunny, high near 55 degrees, winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Back to you, Aaliyah.
Thanks, Abram. Yesterday's trivia. Who won Best New Artist at the Grammys Sunday night? Answer, Chance the Rapper. Winners are Sullivan, Ellis, and E. Mousechuck. Today's trivia. Which of the following fruits contain the most vitamin C per 100 grams? A. Papayas, B. Strawberries, C. Oranges, or D. Kiwi. Congrats to the Scholars Bowl team for placing 8th at the state tournament. Start signing up for Slam Jam. It is a $10 entry fee with Coach Elkington. Practice is on March 6th and game is on March 7th. Basketball players must sign up to be coaches. The Driver's Ed online class still has openings for Session 2, March 13th through April 5th, and Session 3, April 10th through May 3rd. If you are still interested in taking Driver's Ed, please stop by B office and pick up a registration form. Junior girls interested in Girls State this summer should stop by the Counseling Center to pick up an application. The application and deposits are due February 24th. Again, any junior girl interested in Girls State should pick up an application in the Counseling Center ASAP. Seniors, we want to help celebrate your success. Bring your letters of acceptance from colleges, trade schools, armed forces, etc. to Ms. Rice in A office or Mr. Morris in counseling. Seniors, a priority deadline for HCC scholarships is February 15th. Make sure your application is complete, including your personal statement. Sports today, basketball at noon. Happy Valentine's Day, Salthawks.
Hey Jessica, so Valentine's Day is coming up, and I don't know what I should get my special someone.
Well, you can get him like cologne or chocolates.
No, that's what everyone gets each other.
How about you get him some frozen yogurt from the Sweet Tree?
Yum, that's a good idea. What are the flavors going to be?
The flavors are going to be salted caramel and vanilla.
That sounds perfect. You know, it is the last day to use those punch cards, so that's a great idea. Thanks.
And you can buy 2 cookies for the price of 1 on Valentine's Day.
This Valentine's Day, get your sweetheart a sweet treat from the Sweet Tree.